What's going on? Welcome to Marketer AI Site Builder. You are here because you are looking for an easy way to create WordPress websites for you or for your client. Right here, guys, this is seriously the new way to create WordPress websites. Totally easy using AI. I created this plugin. It's called Marketer AI Site Builder, and it's amazing, guys. So what I want to show you first is once you get it installed, it works on any website. You'll actually get a API key from Marketer. Once you join Marketer, you will have an API key that when you install this plugin on every website, you'll have to use your API key. Okay. You do get 5 free credits a day as a premium member. So, if you run out of credits, you'll always, every day, you can at least make edits. Okay. We do have the direct edit built in. So that way, after you do create pages with AI, you can actually go in and edit them, without spending any credits. So that's a good feature, and that saves you money. It is AI, guys, AI cost. So we're trying to keep the cost down as low as possible. And the more users we get using the plugin, we'll try to decrease the price on credits. But for now, it is what it is. But it's totally worth it, guys. It's an awesome plugin to have. So anyways, once you become a member of the Marketer and get access to the Marketer AI Builder, you're also going to get access to the add-on plugins, which there is a ton of plugins that I am working on that are totally awesome, guys. The Marketer AI Builder, the Marketer Chat, the Marketer Community, the Marketer Respond, guys. That is a email autoresponder. It works directly from your WordPress website. Totally awesome, and it's free. You don't have to pay anything like MailChimp and all that. It's unlimited, totally free. So you're also getting access to all these plugins just by becoming a member to Marketer. Okay. And I'm constantly working on these plugins, upgrading them, making them better. And you get access directly right here from, actually right here. Once you install the AI site builder, you'll actually have this right here in the add-on section. Okay. So what's cool about the site builder is when users get in here and start creating pages and headers and footers, they can also share those as templates, which end up in the templates hub and in your settings. So you can actually use other people's templates to even start off building the website. So you can use templates for your whole website and not even really burn up the credits. Okay. So this is what's going to make this cool and powerful as a community of builders, guys. Once you guys start getting here and building these headers, footers, and pages, and already, guys, we already have quite a few in here, as you can see. But the more the plugin grows and the more users we get, the more this will fill up. And I mean, just totally awesome, guys. You can share these templates, and these were all that I created already testing the plugin. And other users can actually use these and then go in and put their site information in it, or change it or modify it any way they want. And then they can actually save that new template and share that to the hub as well. And all you got to do is just click use that to start off, and you already have a page set up. So this is going to be very, very powerful, guys. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here in a second. So Marketer or MLM page, it's an older site of mine. I've been testing a lot of plugins on. I've tested the AI site builder on the messaging plugin right here. Like I'm talking about, this thing is way better than, what do you call that? Better Messages. This plugin is awesome. It has the video chat, the audio chat, and it's all free. You don't need to pay any monthly subscriptions, no, web sockets or none of that. And it works awesome. Okay. But that's for another video. Right here, you're interested in how to build a site quick and fast. So I want you to check out this homepage right here on MLM page. This was built with the AI site builder. If the screen is a little fuzzy, I don't know what's going on. It's my screen recorder. So I highly recommend you guys come over and check out mlmpage.com if you want to see this thing clear and see how it actually looks. Because for some reason, this screen recorder is, when I view the video, I don't know, it looks funny. Like it's making I don't know, it's weird, but I'm not sure what's going on with that. But I promise you, it's crystal clear. If you just come over to the website and check it out, you'll see how responsive it is. Everything is responsive, guys. Looks great on mobile. And I did all this with one prompt. So you can install this plugin on already established websites, and you can clean up pages. You can recreate pages with the information that you already have on the pages, and this plugin will turn it into something like this and make it look beautiful and awesome. All right. And I'm going to create some pages for you guys real quick, some test pages, just so you can see how it works out. I want to show you a couple pages that it created for me already. This is mlmpage.com right here. And I asked it to build me a pricing page for the website, for the platform. It actually reads the plugins on your website. So if you're using like a Membership Pro plugin, it can go in and read the information and actually pull your prices and everything out. Like it's totally awesome, guys. Letting AI run the website and basically be in the, and you actually still have full control over it. You know, you're just building with AI, but it reads your entire website. It knows everything about your website, all the plugins you use, and it can actually implement and put that into your pages. Okay. So like it did with mine, it knew all the pricing, everything that I have, from the plugin settings, and it did everything automatically. All right. And it put in common questions. I didn't even ask it to do all this, and it did all this for me. All right. And you're going to see this in a minute. But right here, real quick, I want to show you how cool it is that you can actually switch up the themes of your websites constantly, like for seasonal, you know, in October, if you wanted pumpkins in your header or something, you can do all sorts of crazy stuff in your footers. And I'm going to show you that real quick. We're going to go over here to the settings, and right here, you can save your headers and your templates. And then you can go to shared header templates, and then a list of headers will pop up. You also have the save footer. See here, right here, we have, these are headers, right? So you've seen the header I have right here on MLM page right now, which I love this header right here for MLM page. And you can actually, when you start using this plugin, you can actually start from this header and build out or modify it any way you like. So that's what's cool about it. So we'll look at some of these headers, and I'll switch one up real quick just so you can see how cool this is. Let this load real quick. This preview, this screen recorder. All right, that one's in white. I can't see it here. Actually, I want to get, where is my Neon Cyber Premium Dark Pixel Runner? Yeah, this runner guy. This guy's pretty cool. And we have, I think, a footer to match it too. So here, I'll switch this up just to show you some things that you can do. Let me see what this looks like once this loads. All right, look at this. We have the pixel guy running through the header. Okay, so I could use this. I could just hit apply to my site. Click right there. Now, once it refreshes, all right, so now I can go to my site, and we'll go back to the home page. Watch the header switch up. Check it out. So we can switch the headers, guys. And it took my links, pages, everything, and put it directly in the header. But now I'll have to go in the back end and basically in the settings and just put my site name and my logo right there. And I can use this header. Okay. Let's see. So let me go back, and we'll go to which one was I using? the original one I was using. And as you can see, we already have a bunch in here. I want to say it was this one I was using. I believe it was this. Yeah, it was this one. All right, so I'm going to put that one back on. I just wanted to show you guys real quick how that looked, and then I'll have to go, I believe, where are we at? Global header, slot active. Here we go. So we'll go right here, and then I'll just put that back in there. And then if I wanted to switch my icon up or anything like that, I can go ahead and do that. Then I'll save that. And right here, you can switch your links up all in the settings right here to control each header that you install. And then we'll go back over, let's see, over here. And now our header's back. All right, guys. So it's that simple. And it's the same with the footers, guys. So I love this footer that we have down here already for MLM page. But if I wanted to switch it up, then I would just go to over here in the settings, and we will go to shared footer templates down here at the bottom. And this is where all like your headers and your footers that everybody shares will end up in these slots, and you could preview them and see. And we have the pixel runners to match that one. So you can get creative and create all type of headers. Check this out. So if I wanted to install that footer, I can just install it and it'll be at the bottom of my website. And then I can go in and switch my links and make the branding myself. All right. So this is how powerful and cool this is. You see how that could match the header, and you can have a whole pixel running guy website theme. Okay. So it's easy to create themes inside the plugin and share that everybody can use and start off with. So this, and overall, the more users, the more templates and headers we get, the cheaper this is going to get for everybody. And you rarely ever would have to really use AI. So you have the actual direct editor inside, plus you have the templates to start off with. And you also have the help of AI to create pages and all that. So you can see how powerful just becoming a member to Marketer is going to be, and how helpful it's going to be for you and your business as we continue to grow. But we will be getting more templates. And I also, on the inside, you're going to get access to tutorials and tips on how to use this, what type of prompts to use, all that. So let's go ahead and go over and build us a page. So right here, you're in the builder. Down here, you'll do the prompt. Up here, you can keep track of your credits. And over here, we can go to any page. Now, so what's cool about the builder is that it works with any theme, and these plugins work with at least 90% of the plugins out there. I haven't had an issue yet with themes or plugins. So the actual AI builder, it creates its own pages. All right. So you can actually swap between your site's theme pages and the AI builder pages, which, like on Marketer, for instance, everything on Marketer was built with this AI builder, guys. So if you're here on Marketer, look around, you look at the pages, look how they look. This is what the AI site builder did for me. All right. But like, say I go over here to blog and it's on the Peepso theme that I use for the website. You see what I'm saying? I left my blog alone because that's just what I wanted. So you have the option to do that on your website. So you can flop between a WordPress theme and the AI site builder. All right. Which it created this AI site builder page for me too. You've probably seen it if you were looking around Marketer, but I mean, just beautiful, guys. Simple prompts. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I hope this is showing up good on the screen. It might look fuzzy because of the screen recorder I'm using, but check out the websites. They look Beautiful. All right. And they look awesome on mobile as well. So let's go back. We're going to go back over here to MLM page and we're going to create a dummy page. So I'm just basically, I'm in the builder right now. I could go over here and choose a page to edit if I wanted to. And which is cool. Like after you create a page, all your pages show up here. You can actually pull the page in and you can edit certain things on it. You can tell AI to edit it, or you can pull it up in direct edit and actually get deep into the code. And it actually helps you. You click on a section and it shows you where it's at in the code, and you can change, you can edit what you need to edit. So, but for now, we're just going to tell it to build us a page. So I'm going to say build. Actually, hold on. Build me a page called, we'll go demo 3. Build me a page called demo 3 explaining what MLM is and how it can help the user, or how it can help how it can help. I don't know. We'll just say how it can help. This is going to be a simple prompt, guys. So you guys are actually going to get in, especially if you're first starting out. You're going to be like, if you're installing this on a fresh install, you want to go more in depth and tell the AI what your website is about. And then it's going to search. It's going to do all that and pull the correct information in and give you what you need and put it on the page. All right. So here, let me see. Build me a page called demo 3 explaining what MLM is and how it can help your business grow. All right. We'll do that. Let's see what it does. And if it's creating a page, it's normally going to take about a minute or two for it to write the code out, and publish it. And if you already have an existing page, it's going to take about that long too to rearrange everything and do its thing to make it look way better than what you already have it as. So just give it a little time and you'll see what I'm talking about. What else is cool is this plugin works with code snippets. So I highly recommend after you install this, install code snippets, because it can create code snippets and create plugins for your website as well. All inside of WordPress. And I'm always trying to make it better, guys. So you get the updates automatically, just like any regular WordPress plugin. When I update on Marketer, it'll flag the update on your website, and all you got to do is hit the update button, and the plugin automatically updates. Should be about done. And y'all seen the simple prompt that I gave it. So imagine giving it, a killer prompt. I could have gave it colors or any type of thing, but it's going to build as what the rest of my website already looks like. Basically, because I already have pages, it's going to read those designs of the pages, colors, and it's going to try to match that. But if you want to get more specific, you could tell it, hey, make the page white or make the page rainbow looking, or, whatever color you prefer. This thing's making me a beautiful page. Sometimes you just need a simple page. And that's why it amazes me, because it's like, I didn't ask for all that, but I'll take it. Look at this, guys. Look what just popped up. What is MLM and how can it grow your business? Look at this. Join MLM page. Start learning. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Simply amazing. You founder levels. I mean, guys, is this not amazing? Look at, wow, wow, wow. I'm shocked, guys. That is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What exactly is multi-level marketing? Look, you've seen how simple that prompt was. I mean, yes. Okay. Anyways, we're going to hit apply. So we got to come over here and make sure we hit apply. Otherwise it's not going to stick. So I'm going to hit apply real quick. Simply amazing. I'm amazed. If you're not amazed, guys, I don't know, but you can simply do this and build websites all day with WordPress. All you got to do is install this plugin and use it. And, if you need a community plugin, I got you. If you need messaging plugin, I got you. You need an autoresponder plugin, I got you. Join Marketer today. Simply beautiful. I hope this is looking good on the camera, because this is simply beautiful. Wow. 7 proven strategies to scale your MLM business. Insane, guys. Insane. And the colors is flickering a little bit because it's in this preview mode. It needs to. All right. So right there, page demo 3 created. Page demo 3 created. So now if I go over here to build, or we're going to refresh the page, my page should now show up in here as demo 3. Right here it is, guys. And here's what the page looks like, guys. Simply beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And here it is on full page or full width. Hopefully this looks good on the screen recording. But if not, you guys can check this page out. I'll leave a link for these demo pages so you can check them out. But awesome, guys. Look at this. Look at the detail, like that's so amazing. So amazing. All right. Well, hope to see you guys here on the Inside of Marketer.